Hey everybody, it's your BOY Alex Ayres. I want to show you a tool today instead of a song or a lyric video. What this tool will allow you to do is examine your song's metadata or the metadata for any other creator that you might enjoy, and you want to understand how they got to the final song. Other use cases would be if you've moved some of your prior what I call segments into the trash, and you're looking to do an extension from any point in time. Perhaps less applicable now that you can do in painting, but I think there's still some benefit here. And I'll show you that in a moment. So let's take a look at my own songs. Come over to my library. Let's take a look at a recent song I did called Big Western Music Man. If we copy our song's identifier, which is in the URL up here, this is a UUID. And we come over to Hipster, which is at placidharmonics.com, inspector, and you paste that into the song ID here and click Analyze. What this is going to do is it's going to pull down the song's metadata, and it's going to break it down into what I call segments. We can see the title of the song. We can see the artists or artist that worked on this. So if you collaborated with someone, you see multiple artists here. You can see the play count, the likes, the creation time, which is a representation of the time it took to get from the first segment to the last segment. It doesn't obviously take into account any time you spent prior to clicking create on this first segment. Obviously, you can't capture metrics that we don't have. Um, and on the right over here, we can see the lyrics. And what I do is I just colorize these brackets just because I find it makes it easier to read the data. And then down here, we can see the tags used for a given segment. And this section here, we can see the title of the segment, the artist that worked on that particular segment, the type of segment, and the time that segment was created. So what I want to show you is we can come over to our little segment browser here, and we can go backwards in time, and we can see how a song changed over time. And we can also see the fact that these tags here will be updated. So you can see, you know, I started here with just depressingly abstract, fuzzy Soviet post-punk ontologic VHS tape. And if you go to a different segment here, you can see I did Russian wave female Vocaloid shredding guitar on a Logic VHS tape and MIDI. Another thing this will let you do is it lets you dive into the song. So if I want to say look at this segment, I can just click on a segment and it will take me directly to that segment in Suno where I can play it, listen to it, and see what I was thinking about at that point in time. So a number of people have been using this tool. They found it useful in various ways. So I encourage you to check it out and see how it helps you in your Suno journey. And that's it. Have a fantastic day.